Welcome back to Jay's Jeep and Classic Car Channel. Today we're going to be mounting the clutch and flywheel on the CJ2a. Join us on the adventure. Alright, so we put a little tape in there. We're just trying to find top dead center. This is not working, so we're going to put my finger in the hole. Alright, that's it right there, I think. Kind of felt it kind of push air out, which is what we wanted, and so that's what we're going to go with. Okay, next up we're going to put our backing plate on here and then the flywheel. Alright, we got our backing plate here. A little bit of crud on there, but it goes somewhat like that. I believe like so. We're just gonna let it sit there for now. Alright, so we got our flywheel here, and I'm just looking for the markings and the two bigger holes that the dowels go in. We got them, so we already got that plate on there. There we go. And kind of get that somewhat secured on there, and then we're going to put some hardware on here. First we got to put these star washers on. I'm going back with new hardware. These are 3/8 by 24. Sometimes you can just put enough pressure on there, keep it from turning. Alright, that'll hold it on there. We're going to go after the hard one first here. Wrench don't fit in there. So we're going to start with the bolt of the down bolts. Just barely get it on there. Yeah, it almost looks like these studs have been broken off. I hadn't noticed that before. Hopefully they'll be alright. Alright, that's the finished skinny wrenches on it now. I'm going to turn this a little bit. Not leave such an awkward position. Alright, there we go. We're going to torque it down and go from there. Alright, so specs 36 to 41. So I got it right at 38. Just splitting the difference. That one, and we're going to do it just like we would a tire in an alternating pattern across. All right. Next, we're going to wipe down the surface with the acetone, just clean it up before we put the clutch plate on. Alright, next up we're going to put the brass bushing in. We're going to have to tap that in with the dead blow. Goes. Next up, we got our pressure plate here, our clutch. So the flat side goes in like so, and so we're going to put this little alignment tool in, and just to hold it for the time being. Then we got our pressure plate. We're going to take these bolts out. So you see that raised part, it goes out. Alright, so I have a little line right there from just where I have lined it up from where it was last time it was on this flywheel. And so what we're trying to do, get it in about the same spot. Alright, we just want to kind of hold the weight. We're just doing the alternating pattern again to try to get even pressure all the way across. Now to torque it down. Okay, so the other torque wrench I have does not go down that low, so this is what we're going to use. And the setting is 15 foot-pounds. 12 to 17. We're shooting for 15 here. That's about it right there. Alright, there we go. It's all ready to put in.
Well, that about does it for the installation of the clutch. I really appreciate y'all watching. It was really clutch of you to do so. Sorry for the bad dad joke. But anyway, I do appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care. It's time for supper.